want to go see what my family is up to. Good morning, guys. Hi. Good morning, Zeus. Babe.
What?
What are you browsing?
Oh, you know, we need a
Grooming?
trimmer. Grooming scissors for dogs. Look.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay. You want to get that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let me place the order. Oh, wow. It's super cheap.
Okay, let's do it. Good morning, Arya. Good morning, baby. Happy Saturday. Are you gonna go egg hunting too?
Wow, baby. They come so fast.
Oh! All right.
Less than a minute.
Nice. Come see
Thank
me.
you, Amazon, to be
Yeah.
that fast.
Oh, that's a review for the Amazon.
Wow. Look. There we got it, baby. Let's see.
Okay.
What is inside?
Okay, come sit right here.
Stop, Zeus. Stop. Yeah, this is for you eventually.
Oh my God, Zeus. Zeus is so chismoso.
Está pinche annoying. Oh, nice. Wow.
Wow, you like that? Nice.
It's for Zeus and Aria.
Wow, it looks so fancy.
Yeah, it looks like a nice quality.
With all the blue, you know. Hey, don't cut it yet.
For
Comes
Aria
with the
and
comb.
Zeus.
Nice.
To trim these little pelitos de aquí. These pelitos de aquí.
And
So nice.
and the culo, by the culo.
De culito. Stop,
The
Zeus.
culo de Zeus. Ese culo de Zeus.
Stop.
Zeus. Papi is gonna cut your culo.
No.
Fur. The fur from the culo.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Nice, huh?